Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's kitchen. Today I am making spinach tomato curry. This curry is very delicious. It can go with rice or chapati, puri. You should give this a try. To make spinach tomato curry, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 to 3 red chilies. Also add 3 to 4 green chilies and a big pinch of hing. When they are fried, add 1 medium size onion. I sliced the onion nicely, but you can cut it in any shape. When the onions are frying, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt and stir it nicely. Cover it and cook for 3-4 minutes. Check the onions and stir it once. When there is no raw smell from ginger garlic paste, go ahead and add the tomato. You can use 2 to 3 medium sized tomatoes, but I am using my garden grape tomatoes. I am using a handful of them. Stir them once. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, some salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it a good mix. Cover it and cook it until the tomatoes are tender. You may stir the tomatoes in between if you need. Here I washed my spinach and I am going to chop it now. My tomatoes are nice and tender. Now I am going to add the chopped spinach. I learned this curry from my friend Rama from Bellampalli. She is a very good cook. I'm sure you make this curry better than me, Rama. Thank you for showing me your recipe. I used this 8-ounce bag of spinach. Check the curry once. Give it a stir. The curry smells so good. Lot of people think it produces kidney stones when you add spinach and tomato, which is not really true. Experts say that spinach and tomato combination does not produce kidney stones. I always use spinach and tomato together. I am sharing my thoughts. If you have any other thoughts, please let me know in the comments. So you can use more spinach, less tomato, or more tomato, less spinach. So you can use any way you want depending on your availability. So the curry is actually done. I'm going to add the chopped cilantro, stir it well and switch off the flame. You can also add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder if you want, but I'm not adding it. This spinach tomato curry goes very well with rice, chapati or puri. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please give me your feedback and also don't forget to like my Facebook page. Visit my Telugu channel also for more recipes.